Hi, my name is Larry. I run a website called watermitigationadvice.com. On the website we have things about water damage, flood damage, fire damage, smoke damage, water mitigation, and it's all free advice. So please stop by and check it out. Right now we want to appreciate you for stopping by to view my channel here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. This video is about wet cleaning on smoke damage. The left side is a semi-gloss paint. You can use a wet cleaning solution on this. Basically, I'm just using a spray bottle with Pine Sol in it. You spray it, just wipe it, it'll come right off in most cases, unless it's actually burnt in, then you might have a different problem. But other than that, it should wipe off. The side on the right, that is a dry, flat paint. And when you get smoke on that, if you put water to it, it just sets it right in. It stains, it doesn't come out. And you'll see that in a second here. You can see now how it's smearing. I hear a lot of complaints about people trying to clean their smoke damage and they just smear it all over the wall. Once you put water to it, you're almost looking at painting because you're going to ruin it. The best way is use a dry cleaning sponge, which is meant for smoke damage. I do have another video up. I'll post a link to it that you can look and see how to do that with a dry cleaning sponge. I appreciate you looking at this, and I hope I've helped you in some way. Thank you. Have a terrific day.